Where did he buy it? Here. I'm not sure what you saw here. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's just best to wait for a breakout. Like, okay, I get it. It's a momentum stock, had a little bit of a flag, but where did he buy it? 808. You kind of anticipated a breakout. And you know what I think about anticipating breakouts. I'm not a fan. See, where did you buy it? You bought it here? Okay, you anticipated a breakout that never happened. Okay. Again, like I personally don't like anticipation because the fail rate is so much higher. TCAT, you bought it here? I don't see anything there. Saw a potential little breakout on the 60-minute. This is what you saw. Again, you're kind of anticipating a move that you think is gonna happen, but that's the thing, you know. I don't, you know what I think about anticipation. That's what it comes down to. Less anticipation, more actual breakouts. There were a lot of, you know, anticipation breakouts just failed. A lot of losses that could have been avoided if you just waited for a breakout. Because, you know, those breakouts never happened. Again, so he bought it here, here. Okay, so he anticipated a breakout, okay? Because this stock barely took out the previous day's highs. Like, it was an okay setup, like, before it totally failed and went down. Like, I can see it. Like, I can see what, you know, not bad, not bad. He kind of anticipated it. You don't have to be the first one in. Sometimes it's better to just wait for the stock to, you know, actually have a little bit of upticks before you enter. See, Citibank, 12th of April. Again, like, this is like an like the setup itself was decent. So the entry was here. We pretty much anticipated the breakout that didn't happen. So it got stopped out the next day. 9th of April. Wait for the breakout. Like, I see what you saw here. You gotta wait for the breakout. You need the stock to prove itself. Otherwise, you're gonna wait for something that may never happen. No, the 11. What are you doing? What? Why did you buy it on this day here? You anticipated? This is why I don't anticipate stuff. And why do you buy it? There's no setup there. And it's not surfing the 20-day, it's surfing the 10-day. Dude, what the hell, man? No. Big no. Look at the wideness of the previous day. This is not a setup. It didn't even break the previous day's highs. Never even had a breakout. Why are you anticipating these breakouts that never happened? Don't anticipate. Guys, if you're gonna anticipate, it really needs to be something special. And you know, if you haven't made like a few million in trading yet, you don't know what's really special. So don't anticipate. BCTX 578. Again, you're kind of anticipating things. You bought it before it even took out the previous day's highs. There's no need to do it. I mean, no, don't do it. Stop with this anticipation bullshit. The correct entry would have been around in the 6 area, low 6s maybe. I would say 6 area. Once it took out the highs of the intraday highs. Wait, you entered the 11th? Why did you enter the 11th? The 12th, this day was the entry. 14th, this was the entry day. The 11th, I think you anticipated it a little bit. You got bailed out on this anticipation. Let's see, 15th. No, 14th? Again, you're anticipating stuff. You know, you got bailed out on this one.